Want this?
Look at me. Come back. Come back to me.
First, we will make zoom.
First, add keyframes at the start and end of the clip. Then zoom and rotate second keyframe. Do this with all clips. Make this graph settings for keyframes clips.
Now we will make the shake effect.
Add shake effect. Add 3 keyframes, 1 at start, 1 at middle, and 1 at last. Then intensity and speed, 100 for middle keyframe. For first keyframe, intensity and speed 0. For last keyframe, intensity 0 and speed 100. Then add another shake. Add 2 keyframes. For first keyframe, intensity and speed 100. For last keyframe, speed 100 and intensity 0. Duplicate this shake effect. Now add oblique blur. Add 3 keyframes and make adjustment settings like I did.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel.
Then add another oblique blur. Make adjustment settings like I did.
Now we will make this first shake.
Add shake effect, add 3 keyframes. For first keyframe, intensity and speed 0. For second keyframe, intensity and speed 100. For last keyframe, intensity 0 and speed 100. Now export your video.
Now we will make the black line overlay.
Now add your exported video into new project. Now add black image overlay. Now zoom in, then adjust it according to the clip. Go to the splice and reduce it to 70. Go to the mask, make mask like this. Now add 3 keyframes and do what I am doing.
Now these are the other effects used in the video.
Now add 2 keyframes at the start of the video. Zoom first keyframe. Make graph settings this. And add wide angle effect. And now do what I am doing.
Thanks for watching.